Derivatives of trigonometric functions. Before, we only talking about sine and cosine derivative. But based on this, we can find other trigonometric functions derivatives. So as you see this description, we can use derivative of sine and cosine. We can find derivative of the four remaining trigonometric functions. If I put sine and cosine also under those derivative rule, then d over dx of cosine x equal to negative sine x, and d over dx sine x equal to cosine x. Based on this, can you find anything in common between two different categories here? The first thing, cotangent, cosecant, cosine, they're all C family, right? The cotangent initial C, cosecant initial C, cosine initial C. The secondly, after we derivative all C family value, they are all negative derivative answers here. So cotangent become negative cosecant square x, cosecant become negative cosecant x cotangent x, cosine become negative sine x. But other families, so like tangent, secant, sine, their answers are all positive as you see here. And then you may think tangent, secant, they are like couple, and cotangent, cosecant, they're also another couple. So derivative tangent is secant square x, as you see here. Cotangent x become negative cosecant square x. Then secant, derivative secant is secant x tangent x. Derivative cosecant x become negative cosecant x cotangent x. Unfortunately, you have to remember all those six derivatives of trigonometric functions because you will keep on utilizing it on calculus 2, calculus 3, or differential equation as well. Okay, then look at few examples. Let's find out derivative of these two functions. So this case, dy over dx. So derivative x becomes 1. Now what is the derivative of tangent? Tangent is not C family, so you don't change their sign. So just minus. Tangent means secant square x. So that should be the answer. Similarly, this one, so dy over dx. This will be now x times secant x. So you have to use the product rule. So I'm gonna put a equal to x, b equal to secant x. So a prime 1, b prime, secant x, tangent x. So you cross multiply and combine them. So it becomes x, secant x, tangent x plus secant x. That's it. Good. What about this question? You may think quotient rule, yeah, it may work. But this time I will use heart rule and then break them up. Then it's going to be y equal to 1 over sine x minus cosine x over sine x here, right? Then what's the 1 over sine x? There will be cosecant x, and then cosine x over sine x means cotangent x. So we can simplify this function this way too. Okay, then let's find out the derivative of this function. So dy over dx equal to cosecant, cotangent, they're all C family, so the sign will be opposite. So minus cosecant sounds like a secant, So secant, cosecant, they always want to be together with tangent or cotangent. So C family usually be with C family. So cosecant x, cotangent x, and now this become plus cotangent, so cosecant square x. That should be the answer.